Because you and the guys have certain duties as proud Canadians. To make a big splash with the people who matter.
Get him, baby boy. Go get him.
You do it to fool around.
Go get him.
For times with your dad when silence speaks volumes.
They're tag teaming up on you. Get him, baby boy. Get that little sheep bear. Get him. Bite his freaking nose off. Get him. Get them, baby boy. Get him. Let him win, babe. Get him, baby boy. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him, baby boy. Go get him.
Brings it back to him.
Go get him. Go get it, baby boy. Good boy. Good boy. The handsome young man. Go get it.
Brings it back to me.
Good boy.
Get that. Go get.
Go get it. Get it, baby boy.
Yes.